Hi guys, mumeze neza. Natwe tumeze neza. This is Fitya, Mutoni wa Sim with
with your husband.
with my hubby. Ndi n'umugabo wanjye Pelumi, papa Abayomi na mama Abayomi.
Yes, guys, it's good to be here once again. I'm sure you've missed us. We have another content for you guys today. We hope you enjoy it.
Hope you guys are going to enjoy it. We love you. Turakunda. Tumaze igihe turi bize, mama ararwaye, ajya arwaye nyine ubwo tujya kwa muganga tukagemura tukagaruka nyine ni ibintu kuvuza muri ntabwo biba byoroshye. So this is why we used to be busy, but now we are back. Oh my god.
Yeah, we are back with another Nigeria versus Rwanda content for you guys. Yes.
Babe, I'm hungry.
What's you're hungry? If you're hungry, eat now. Take. So, guys, we just want to talk about the cultures, Nigerian culture, Rwandan culture, the differences between it, and also I would like to ask Vidya what are the things she likes about Nigerians, and she will also be asking me what I like about Rwanda in general, and what I like about Rwandans too. You get.
So ku bantu batabyumva tugiye kuvuga nyine turaganira ku bintu bijyanye n'ibintu we akunda ku banyarwanda n'ibyo adakunda ku banyarwanda. Nyine ndavuga ibyo akunda. I'm saying I'm going to talk about what you love in Rwandan people, and me nanjye ndavuga ibyo nakunda ku Nigeria nyine narongoyemo. Nako nashatswemo. Ariko bavuga ntabwo ndi warongowe. Nararongowe. Kwa Nigeria nyine narongowemo nyine. Ubwo numva ni culture, numva guys ni culture byibuka ko umuntu bana n'umuntu mutahukuye mu gihugu kimwe mudahuje umuco, like our cultures are different,
very different.
Yeah, imana naho duhuriye ngabaze kwa n'uwo muntu nk'umugabo n'umugore tuvuge kuntu nyine turabwira uburyo ki nyine iyo twashwanye uko arakara nk'uko ni ndakara nyine kuntu tubisetoringa n'ababona rigenda ndakara ngatavuga mu Runyarwanda, the way I used to get angry and I was speaking Kinyarwanda.
Yes, exactly. She knows.
Rumva. So sometimes kwa ko urugero hari ukuntu warashakanye n'umuntu hanze mu kindi gihugu bakora nk'akantu akataba igihe uko ntabwo twe tubyemerewe niba atamuga ati oh my goodness twe turabyemerewe.
Personally now for Nigerians now we like respect a lot. If you watch Nigerian movies, you know Nigerians like respect a lot. They like you to greet them in the morning, greet them in the afternoon, greet them in the night, greet them when they are going out. Nigerians like greeting. Good afternoon.
Excuse me.
Yeah, like I said Nigerians like greeting. Too much greeting.
Yeah, Abanyarwanda bakunda nyine bakunda icyubahiro.
They like greeting.
Bakunda gusuhuzanya, bashaka nimba umuhuye mu gitondo musuze, usohoka winjira mu nzu musuze, kigoroba. Yeah.
We are like that. We like greeting. We like respect.
Bakunda ibyubahiro cyane.
You get. Sometimes I might come home and I'll be expecting Lydia to greet me. You get. And then she'll not greet.
Pelumi! When I used to greet you now?
When you used to greet me now?
I used to say welcome my love.
My point is which one welcome? Is it all the time you used to say welcome my love? Sometimes you forget.
I used to forget because
that means it's not in your it's not part of you. You know when something is part of somebody, it's natural. You get in our own culture now, as wife, when you see your husband coming from work, you greet. Baby, welcome or blah blah blah. I'm not saying Rwandans don't do it. Rwandans do it, but it's just not as common as the way Nigerians do it. Nigerians like to be greeted every time.
Akunda gusuzwa buri mwanya, nyine nimba yinjiye umusuze, nimugoroba umusuze, ninjoro umusuhuze, kandi twebwe njyewe ndabizi ko mu Rwanda nabyo tubigira nyine ko turasuhuzanya, ariko ntabwo biri common. Twe kubeshya ngo twemereye warate ngo twasuze. Ushobora guhura n'umwana ikintu cya mbere mu Rwanda yabonye mu Rwanda. I'm talking about these kids, Rwanda kids. They don't greet at all. Abana b'Abanyarwanda guys mujye munamwe ufite umwana. Abana bone ngo twese ngo ati Imana abana banyu ntabwo bagiye kwa ntabwo basuhuzanya. Ugasanga umwanya 5 araje na confidence ntasuje abanasanze.
Yeah, it seems as if I don't know maybe
ngo ni n'ikiguzi as if is you have to buy to buy the greeting.
As if you have to buy the here.
Yeah.
As if it's by force.
Nyine ni wajya wundi umuntu uri kwafoza kandi njye ntabwo mbabwira umunyarwandakazi ariko ndabizi neza ko abana bacu ntabwo bazi gusuhuzanya mujye mwigisha abana gusuhuzanya umwana nimba ari umwana w'imyaka 2, 3 atangiye kuvuga igisha umwana gusuhuzanya nicyo kintu cya mbere twe turi kuvuga ku bijyanye n'abana Nigeria nyine bo bakunda ibyubahiro cyane bakunda gusuhuzanya mureke tugisha abana bacu gusuhuzanya hari igihe umugabo wanjye hamutagira about the way when we living kandi dufite shop Kimisagara. And sometimes the kids will enter the shop.
Yes. There was a time I had a small shop in Kimisagara and some kids would just come in.
Abana ukabona barinje nyine abana baje gukina game ukabona umwana arinje
5, 6, 7, 8,
imyaka 8 7
small kids.
Akabatasuhuza.
Ideally in our own culture when kids like that see an adult, they greet.
Yeah, they greet about
him. It was strange to me. I was always angry all the time. What is wrong with these Rwanda kids? Why are they mannerless like this?
Kuki abana mu Rwanda badasuhuzanya? Nukuberi. None reka mbabwenge ko nabayeho na Uganda, nize Uganda.
Yeah, maybe Uganda.
The Ugandan children are too respectful. Like, oh my goodness, they even like they kneel down to greet.
And that's the way it should be with Africa.
Uganda baranapfukama. Ni umuco wabo, twebwe nta muco wo gusuhuzanya tugira. Twe kubeshya. Umuco wo muri Uganda waba winjiye mu nzu uva ku ishuri mu muhanda umwana a child can kneel down on the street without even like seeing how the child is dressing without even caring. Umwana wo muri Uganda ntabwo bayita ngo arambaye imyenda myiza avuye ku ishuri squattinga, kneeling down, cyangwa squatting down and greet or bend like this. Mwiriwe neza. Ariko twebwe ego wowe udasuhuza bite umwana muto ngo bite
14 years old just greet you as if you are the maid, just greet you like this.
Yeah.
Hey, when did they give birth to you?
Rata abanyajuru bakunda respect, bakunda kureba filime zabo, abahanzi, abakinnyi ba filime, abastari, abantu bo kuri content bakunda ikintu cyitwa icyubahiro. Kugeza na n'ubu umugabo yarambwiye ati Fidia, kubera icyo umukozi wakwita Fidia, kuki abashuti bakwita Fidia umwana uruta cyangwa umuntu mwiganye wenda kuko uramuruta already tuvuga umwana bo they do like this. Nigerian people nimba umuntu akurusha n'umwaka umwe. If someone is older than 1 year,
is older than you.
Is older than you.
Forget about
it. Ugomba kumwubaha.
Son is older than you, just 1 year.
Yeah.
Is older than you. That's all.
No, usanga
even twins that came out from the same
womb.
The one that comes out first.
Uwasohotse bwa mbere ngo ni manga. Sheri, nazo zirubahana kubera ko nyine kahuje twebwe mu Rwanda muzarebe abatantine bacu twita auntie. Auntie tumbo auntie is your mother's like sister. Ariko bo, even if you are sisters like this, I can call you auntie.
Yes.
I can call you sir. Ugasanga abana babona je gusanga ayita papa wabo ngo sa. Nyiri cyubahiro. Sa. Ari papa we ntago mwita papa we kereka nyine dad, ariko nyine ujye uvuga ikintu nyine ukeneye, how are you sir? How are you ma? Abantu bose urabubaha.
You see, take for example in our own family now. My uncle is like, I think he's around 50 something years old now. My mom is probably maybe 60. The man is around 55 or 54.
Wow.
You get, there was a time in my face like this that he prostrated for my mom. That son is 55 years old. 55 years old.
Oh my God.
You get, Nigerians don't joke with respect at all.
But respect is respect.
Respect. So here,
I'm afraid you are shaking, babe.
I'm
afraid you are. I'm already knowing it. Don't use your hand too much.
Like, so I don't know why it's like that here with the why respect. Almost as if maybe parents don't take it seriously.
Ntabwo ababyeyi bo mu Rwanda bakunda gufata amaserie byo gufata ngo
bumva
nyine ngo ku ishuri nibwo abana at school is where they're going to teach your child manners. Ntabwo ku ishuri abana bigira
people do that. They believe that it's in the school they're going to teach the boy manners. No. What is the business of teacher?
Teacher akazi ke nako kwigisha umwana n'akazi
ko train anybody's child.
Umwana uramwitraining umwana agomba kwiguka nkuba biome. Oh my God, biome agomba kuzakura afite respect iri hejuru.
Yeah, respect is
amenye ngo nimba umwana bigana muruta aramwubaha. Yego, if he goes to school, he has to know that if this my classmate is older than me, I must respect
If the way you train the child from house is that training he will take to the school.
That is to say, charity begins at home.
Charity begins at home. Yes.
Charity begins at home.
If you don't train the child well at home, there's no way he's going to become an angel.
No way.
There's no way to become an angel at school.
Never.
So that's just it. So I don't know why they're not here.
Nyine mu Rwanda n'icyo cya mbere agaya yuko nyine mu Rwanda ntabwo bajya.
Somebody told me, there was a Rwandan guy that told me that in the past that children were very, very respectful.
Kera mu bihe byacu twarubahaga. Like babe, when I was young, back in our time,
yes, he told me that it was like that in the past.
Abana nyine n'abana ba kera generation ubwo niya cyacu tuvuga nyine twebwe tukiri abana twarubahaga kubona umwana wigize cyane umvaga ari ibintu bya danje kubona umuntu wambaye ibintu ariko as igihe ko kigenda kikura, like the way times are changing,
the way times
children are changing, all the adults are changing. Yes. Things are not as before.
Maybe adults who are afraid that if I shout at this child,
yes, they arrest me. Because they used to cane us. Oh my goodness,
I'm not even saying they should cane. You see, when I was growing up, throughout the time I was growing up, I think it was only once or twice I was caned. Wow. That they beat me maybe once or twice. That's no, I'm not talking of caning. I mean respect as everyday routine. Something you do every day. Every day, good morning. Every day, good morning. Every day, good afternoon. Every day, and then your parents too, by telling you that that person is older than you, you have to respect that person. It will become normal. It will become normal for this thing. You get.
I told you when I was living, nakuze mu muryango w'Abayisilamu. I grew up in a Muslim family. Hari anti wanjye nyine ubyutse mu gitondo uramusuhuza. When you wake up in the morning, greeting assalamu alaikum. But if you go outside, kujya hanze gusa outside, niba ugera ufata nk'ikiyiko mu kiko ukatagaruka muri salo, urongera greeting assalamu alaikum again. Nujya mu cyumba ukagaruka assalamu alaikum. Twaryamye turabyutse assalamu alaikum. Ku manywa ugiye guhaha baragutumye, they are just like they send you to buy maybe food
for cooking. You come back, you greet
assalamu alaikum. La nyine nakuriye numva gusuzanya nari ikintu
cyiza. I understand. Is it that in Rwanda there's no word for like, is it that the greeting words are not
like, is it like, let me say niriwe?
Wait, niriwe now. Who can use niriwe? Is it both child and adult?
Yes, exactly. So arikubaza ese ubundi kubavuga mwiriwe ni iby'abana cyangwa abantu bakuru? Ubundi mwiriwe is like polite. It's polite.
Is it polite
greetings for everybody?
For everybody.
But a child should not tell you bite. A child should not tell you bite. Ntabwo ubundi uragomba gusaza we umuntu kubera ngo bite bya bite nta bundi bite ntabwo ari ijambo ryo gusuza umuntu mukuru. Umwana nukamucenga kugusuza ngo bite. Umwana ati mama mwaramutse neza. Mama good morning.
Good morning.
Mwaraye neza. Like have you slept well? Akongera yabavuye nk'ahantu muraho is a polite greeting. Muraho neza. Yego. Muraho. If adults come and greet you, muraho neza is like very polite word. If a child comes and say, Pelumi bite, that's disrespectful. Ntabwo ari meto abantu wenda babana bari mu myaka imwe same age can greet each other. Ni bite byawe is like normal.
So here there's no difference of age. The differences of age when you respect that. That's the main problem.
Umwana w'umwaka 10 yavuye ngo mama Pelumi bite.
Wala.
Ni byiza. Wenda mama Kelly muraho. Mama Kelly mwiriwe neza. Mama Kelly mwaramutse neza. That's the right. Umwana nawe ma bite. No. bite n'iby'abana bite nyine bitoragure nyine. So nuko Abanyarwanda bameze bakunda respect, nibyo yamenye bonyine mu Rwanda atakunze, ntabwo yakunze uburyo ki nyine Abanyarwanda ntabwo nyine bagira respect nyinshi. Abanyarwanda nyine tugira ukuntu tugira we like doing shakara. I told you.
Which is it, Rwanda?
Yeah, Rwandans are like doing shakara. They don't want to show too much respect. Abanyarwanda bo when they want something from you, that's why you get the respect.
That's why you get the respect.
Umunyarwanda iyo gushaka w'ikintu mana yanakoza ibirenge. So let's go about ikintu nibyo nyine atakunze mu Rwanda. Ikintu atakunze kindi, we are talking about
cultural differences.
Imico yacu iratandukanye. Imico yacu iratandukanye cyane. Nigeria n'Abanyarwanda turatandukanye pe.
Rwanda culture.
We are different. Noneho bino byo kuvuga ngo muri marriage usanga nawe tubana ugasanga nyine urumva we yinubira yuko ni bimwe, ariko ikintu something that different is the way abagore bakira abagabo babo, the way women used to welcome their husband. Twebwe mu Rwanda umugabo yaje mu rugo bakaza neza mu rugo ibute bino nk'ibyo, ariko njye ukuntu nakuze ukuntu nandi bimeze n'ahandi njya mu ngo z'abandi, umugabo iyo atashye mu rugo arinjira agasuhuza agahita yinjira mu byumba. When a man here comes from work in Rwanda, he greets whom they mwiriwe agahita yinjira mu cyumba and enter the room or sit in the chair couch and that's all. Ariko bo nyine umugore nyine afite ukuntu nyine abanza mwiriwe, good morning, sorry, good afternoon my husband, welcome, how was work, so that nyine. Ariko twebwe nyine bito biratandukanye, ariko ntabwo bitandukanye cyane. It's not that
maybe in some homes maybe they do it.
Ni ingo zimwe abantu bonaga bose ingo niyo mvuga ngo marriage everybody's marriage is different. Abantu bose bubatse bitandukanye. Ushaka kuba umugabo wamusuza neza cyane, ntabwo na generalizing, ntabwo biri muri general. Abantu turatandukanye, njye mfite ukuntu akiri umugabo wawe, ufite ukuntu akiri umugabo wawe, twe tukwa nyine twebwe twenyine. So ukuntu turakara rero Abanyarwanda ukuntu barakara, the way we used to get angry. Hey, oh my God.
But in your case, you get the only thing I see there that in your case, which one is don't mind how she gets angry crazily. Fidia is changing from Rwanda now to Nigerian. She's changing, yes. Most times, the Rwandans I know, Rwandans are not violent people.
They are not.
Those are some of the things I like about
okay, Abanyarwanda ikintu dukunda ntabwo turi violent, ntabwo twiyenza, ntabwo dukunda amahane, ntabwo turi abanyamahane cyane Abanyarwanda.
At least in my dealings every day with Rwandans.
Ariko Nigeria.
No, even Nigerians are not that.
Rakaza ubu Nigeria akajyana gukubita. Babe, your Nigerian babes can even beat men. Especially the one from Lagos.
That's a movie. Listen to me. That's a movie. In real life, not all of them are like that.
But some street Nigerian Lagos women.
It's a movie that is messing up your mind. What she's watching the movie is messing up her mind. Not all Nigerians are like that. Not all Nigerians are like that.
Can you mess? Sometimes the things that we used to do, or we used to see in the road on the street, and we say, if it was Nigerian women, should not take this nonsense. It's not that they used to tell me that if it was Nigerian guy, forget about that one.
This is what I think I like about Rwandans are gentle, easygoing. Don't take the gentility for foolishness. I'm not saying foolish or being stupid. You get just easygoing people that don't want wahala.
Ntabwo nyine twiyenza cyane umuntu ushaka kuri mu gushwana akayigira.
Assuming Nigeria, Rwandans was like difficult people, stubborn, violent. You not see foreigners here.
It's
because of the kind nature of Rwandans. That's why you see more foreigners coming to. So that is very good.
Impamvu nyine tubona abashyitsi benshi cyangwa tubona abanyamahanga benshi badusura muri gihugu cyacu bakanaturongora bw'abagore ni uko tutari violent cyane. Nyine umugore ushobora gushwana n'umuntu hano mu Rwanda umuntu akatayigendera akaguhunga, ariko hariya iyo mwagafatanyemo ntabwo wamuzanira nonsense. They don't like
we don't like nonsense.
Nigerian people, they don't like nonsense.
We don't like nonsense, but
we
don't like nonsense, but
bakunda abantu bari smart. They are too smart. If you are not smart, you can't live with Nigerians. You are smart, you can't live with Nigerians.
They don't like nonsense, but also we are not
violent.
We are not violent people. You get it? Some of the things you say sometimes is just show off. You just show off and shakara. Not all of them are violent like that. You get it?
So, babe, you are telling them that Nigeria.
Nigerians are easygoing people.
So are you saying that I'm starting to become like Nigerian girl?
I'm saying she's changing now. She's changing from a Rwandan nature. You know, Rwandan nature, they are not violent, they are not aggressive, they are not quick. They are cool, calm, and composed. You get it? But this woman, I don't know, maybe it's me, but me, I know me, I'm not violent too. So I don't. She's watching a lot of Nigerian movies. That's why. Yeah, you're watching a lot of Nigerian. She wants to be behaving like Nigerian women. You get tell her to continue behaving like a Rwandan woman. I don't know why she wants to change to Nigerian woman.
You too. You like spoiling my mood too much.
Don't mind these women, I don't mind. Spoiling the influence of Nigerian movies, the way they
Pelumi, stop saying that now. Stop saying that. Why are you saying that I'm like Nigerian women?
Do you know what? She watches Ruth Kadiri. You know Ruth Ruth Kadiri, the show. She watch those movies. That's why she's speaking like this. I'm not the one teaching her anything. I'm not teaching her anything. She's learning everything.
My love now. Stop exposing me.
Okay, I'm not exposing you.
And besides, I like Korean K-dramas though. Stop lying. I like K-dramas.
K-dramas are good, I know.
Korean in Nigeria. I don't know
yeah, another thing I want to even ask is why do, at least in the places I've been now, and in my time here in this Rwanda, let me just say this bad thing about Rwandans. Could I say it?
My love.
Yes, let me just say it. Why is it that Rwandans like drinking more than eating? Why?
Why? Hey! Not,
I don't mean that. I don't mean all Rwandans. I don't mean that the majority. Or maybe the people me have met, or they prefer, those people. And don't get me wrong, don't say, oh, he said all Rwandans like drinking than eating. No, not all Rwandans. You get, I'm just saying that a considerable number of Rwandans like to drink more than eating. Why?
Okay, the reason why is are you talking about beer?
Beer, yeah, whatever.
I prefer food.
You see, someone that don't have food in the stomach, you still prefer to buy
drink.
If you even suggest that, okay, what would you like to eat?
They do like no
beer. Beer.
Ariko babaza ni kubera cy'Abanyarwanda basi mu musozi muri comment ndajya musobanura ni kubera cy'Abanyarwanda.
In the comment you can tell her why
mubwe bigenda tubesheyeho ngo nidusuhuzanya ngo dukunda kunywa cyane
because me I don't count all these bruschetta is not food though.
Kura ngo mu musozi ukaba gukoza gufite ibirayi ntago ari ibiryo. That's not food.
That's not food.
That's not food. And that's the most people that they do that so much.
Those ones are just like things you eat in small.
It's like snacks.
It's like snacks.
Bullshit don't have snacks because people like you can go to some boss's house and be like, I'm hungry. There's bullshit there. Go and collect bullshit.
And then you prefer, if you have option, you prefer to drink more beer and just take small bullshit and
eat and
finish.
And the birai.
That's not food.
My God.
Yeah,
okay. I get to get in the yard. Let me tell you what I don't like about Nigerian people. So, babe, I was saying that something I don't like about Nigerian is especially
What?
mothers, mother-in-laws.
Mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law, mana yanjye abantu utababyara, if you don't give birth for these people, if they marry you, you not give them a child, mana we they will be wahala. Wo nyine abamama babo nyine bagira amahane, ababyeyi nyine abahungu cyane cyane.
But that's wrong. That's false.
Babe, hey,
that's false. That's false. Honestly speaking,
listen to me. Another thing I don't like about you people is juju.
Wait, finish.
Yes, juju bagira uburozi bwinshi. Ninya no kuba najyayo mva ati mana njye bazandoga, mana yanjye we ubu ndaza nafite ukuguru, nafite ugutwi, mana nzaza ijisho ryanjye ryarabaye cyangwa barandoze. Baragira bararogana. People, you guys like juju too much.
That's side effect of watching too many Nigerian.
Urumva gamwe nyumvire ngo ni kwa ko turama ngo manageri. Nimba ko kigihugu kitaroga kukiba kina filime z'uburuzi cyane. If you guys are not using juju too much, why do you always act movie of evil thing? Comedy evil, everything evil. Wicked people around. Is that not make sense to you?
See, let me tell you, we don't hide the bad side of Nigeria.
Yes. Yeah. But use juju.
That's the only reason why you know about. Which one is I use juju? Do you see me with juju?
No, I do not say use juju. But remember, you people, everybody knows about juju.
No, that's false.
Listen to me. Another thing, Nigerian.
Wait, don't stop jumping around.
Ichi.
We talked about mother.
Yes, and the juju.
Finish on the mother.
Okay, issue. The mother. Tujye kuvuga kuri mama. Mama, ababyeyi baba nyumva Nigeria cyane mama abamabukwe. Bagira akantu ko kumva ko nyine barinjira cyane ingo zabo nyine. Ikindi urugero ubona umubyeyi yinjiye cyane mu rugo rw'abana biwe, ubona nimba ufite umwana, please take care of my son, please I beg, see my baby, nyine that thing is no make sense. It's like saying like
you mean the
mother-in-laws that they are
stressing the wife.
Exactly, like nimba batagukunze. But if they don't like you, there's nothing you can do that they will like you. If they don't like you for the first time, I mean, even first time safe. Bye. Another thing, man.
Wait, let me talk now.
No, Allah.
Is it only that?
Can you talk?
Yeah, the thing is, I think the reason why you have this thing, first and foremost, I believe it's false. It's not a general this thing. This thing is because of media. It's media that is giving you this idea that Nigerian mother-in-laws.
My love. Reka mbabwire kubera iki mu Rwanda tutari dukora filime nk'izo cyane.
Where did you get the
listen
idea?
Listen to me. It's because everywhere we saw, like, let me say, you can't just go and just act something that you guys doesn't do. Because every explanation about writing a script is what used to happen in that country. That's what they used to. Why don't we have that kind of movie? It's because it's not common here. Why don't we used to do movie of using juju so much? It's because we don't use juju a lot. Yes, we use juju.
This movie I do is with the arrest you.
You're not serious. No, we use juju. People can use juju here. I think Nigerian juju is too strong.
Number one, we're Africans. That's one thing I would say. Juju self is not only a Nigerian; it's an African thing.
Okay, Ariko.
It's an African, maybe.
But it's too common in Nigeria.
It's Nigerian movies that make you think it's common. But you are right in a way. You are right in a way that yes, juju to some extent, Nigerians are known for it. But me, personally, I don't believe it works.
I understand. It's okay.
Me, I don't believe juju works. It's just that it's media that is making it popular.
Okay, baby, two of us says that.
It's Nigerian media that's making juju popular.
As we are saying,
if you try and do juju and maybe they will arrest you.
No.
Yes.
Okay, no, Allah. Let me do like this, guys. Thank you so much. I think this is the end.
Yes, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Having us.
These people are not quite. It was about getting a laugh story. We should tell the
yes. in the next episode
nituza muri episode yindi
we'll give you some details about
mbere yuko
how
nshaka
we met.
nzabwe ukuntu twahuye
Yes.
ukuntu nyine byari bimeze njye numvaga katana nabonaga tutabana rwose njye numvaga ego kumana si ubwo bwo umuntu yajya n'umunyarwandakazi numvaga bitavamo guys nyine ko nta kantu mbibiye nabonaga ntabishobora ikindi kintu yankundiye nzakibabwira so guys wig
Yeah,
guys.
guys, also you can follow us on TikTok. We'll be having a TikTok show.
Oh yeah, mbafite TikTok show nzajya yitwa Jeanne. How do we call it? How should we call it?
Talk with Jeanne. Huh?
Talk with Jeanne cyangwa talk with Goreti cyangwa talk with Matibori anyhow. Abantu munkurikira kuri TikTok nitwa Goreti Matibori mujye mwenda mu followinga iratangira nimugoroba saa 5 z'ijoro saa 4 z'ijoro izajya ibiriho buri saa 5 mujye muza muyikurikira iyo talk with Jeanne in the night saa 4 z'ijoro ako nibyo abantu bakuru nyine. So ikindi guys mujye mwiba yuko mfite wig curuza ama wig akanka ni 30 na kawigi keza urabona ko na kawigi ni wig ndende nyine wig wajyana ahantu hose uget ku mafaranga 30 yonyine naguha aka kawigi urabona ko na kawigi keza reba ubundi wig wireberamo hano urabona ko nta kibazo ni wig nziza mujye munaza munanso ariko mufate wig rebe na Nadia uzifate n'ufite yawe uze mu rugi wanjye nguhaka wigi cyangwa ngire ngakuzanira iwawe. So ndabakunda, I love you so much. Mutere comment tubigire mushaka ko mumenya
Content about Nigeria and Rwanda.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, stay blessed.
I love you.
Subscribe. Thank you.
Mukore subscribe abasheri. Subscribe, like, share and comment. I love you my love. Bye. Yes. Awado.